Hello everyone, welcome to Platform of Bangladesh, and this is me, Anika. Did you feel bored? Well, let's have some fun in this new video. Do you like tongue twisters? Did you know that they are more than just a fun word game? Would you like to know the stories behind them? Well, this video is all about the tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are sentences or phrases designed to trip you up when you repeat them fast and often. But they are not just fun and games. Actors, news anchors, and politicians use them to warm up, and students use them to improve the clarity of their speech and dictions. Today's tongue twister is very popular and the old one. It uses alliteration and rhyme with the same sounds repeated in different sequences to confuse the heck out of your mouth. So, without any further ado, let's begin. Betty Botter bought some butter, but she said the butter's bitter. If I put it in my batter, it will make my batter bitter. But a bit of butter will make my batter better. So it was better Betty Botter bought a bit of butter. It seemed pretty hard, right? If you mess up, don't worry. Don't take it too seriously though. Think of it as a word game. Have a laugh when they come out wrong. That way we will become more fluent while having fun, which is what the tongue twister is all about. Try it out. Well, this tongue twister originally titled The Butter Betty Bought. This tongue twister was written by American writer and poet Caroline Wells. It published in 1899. It later became a part of the Mother Goose collection of nursery rhymes. Keep practicing, have fun. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.